You have seen this diagram in your textbook, chapter number 6, life process, page number 106. Now this is the diagram of human heart. Now having completed this chapter, now it's very necessary that I need to teach you how to make this diagram. Okay, it seems difficult, but it's not. So here we go. Get ready with your paper, pencil, eraser, and let's draw human heart. Okay, to begin with, first what we need to do, students, is we need to make a V. So here I have made a V. Just have a look at the V. Egg जैसा थोड़ा शेप दिया है मैंने और थोड़ा इसको टेढ़ा रखा है मैंने. Right? So it is a V that I have made, and you also need to make that V first. Thereafter, make one more V और V का जो ये पार्ट है, keep it slightly straight like this. So this becomes one chamber जिसको हम बोलते हैं right ventricle. Right ventricle. यहां पे एक और V बना देंगे. So now this part is your left ventricle. What it is? Left ventricle. Fine, students. Now let's go further. Now coming to the left atrium, here is a small S. Okay students, क्या किया था मैंने पहले रिपीट कर लेता हूँ. First we have to make a V, then I made one more V, but इस V का this part should be straight. Same I have made one more V. Clear? Now let's go further. अब ये जो आपका राइट वेंट्रिकल है, राइट वेंट्रिकल, ये जो स्ट्रेट लाइन आपने ऊपर ली है, ओके, इसको आप ऐसे टिल्ट कर दीजिए, टिल्ट, और यहां पे भी एक टिल्ट ला दीजिए. राइट? सो गिव दिस स्ट्रक्चर. ये भी एक वी जैसा स्ट्रक्चर है लेकिन उल्टा वी है. क्लियर? अब यहां से we will start making your pulmonary arteries. What is it? The pulmonary arteries. Isn't it easy? Pulmonary arteries. And this extra line that we have taken up, let's erase it up. So this is the pulmonary artery. Right? This is the pulmonary artery. Right? Now ये जो आपका left ventricle है, from here onwards will start your aorta, because you know that the oxygenated blood from left atrium it goes to left ventricle, and from left ventricle the blood goes further into aorta. So here it is aorta. Students ध्यान रखना कि ये पूरा एक ही passage है. This is so students keep in mind that this is complete one passage, that is your aorta. What is it? Aorta. And this part is your left atrium, और यहाँ है आपके pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins which brings oxygenated blood. तो स्टूडेंट्स देखो, ये मैंने ऑक्सीजनेटेड पार्ट कंप्लीट कर दिया. सी, द ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कम्स फ्रॉम लंग्स थ्रू पल्मोनरी वेन्स. ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड हार्ट में एंटर होता है थ्रू पल्मोनरी वेन्स. देन इट एंटर्स लेफ्ट एट्रियम. सो हियर आई एम राइटिंग लेफ्ट एट्रियम. लेफ्ट एट्रियम, ये दिस इज अ चैम्बर ऑफ ह्यूमन हार्ट. When the left atrium gets filled, it contracts and the blood goes down here. This is left ventricle. From the left ventricle, when the left ventricle gets filled, it contracts and the blood goes to various parts of the body through aorta. So this is how the oxygenated blood goes. During exam, you have to show the arrows like this. Now these arrows are pointing towards the oxygenated flow. This is the oxygenated flow. Means the blood carrying oxygen, it flows from lungs to pulmonary veins, then comes left atrium, left ventricle, and then to various parts of the body through aorta. Now what is left to make? We are yet left to make the right atrium. Right atrium. अब राइट एट्रियम बनाने के लिए स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे हम लोग एक एस बना देते हैं लाइक दिस, एंड लेट्स मेक इट अ डबल एस. क्लियर? फ्रॉम हियर make such structure. Clear? So this is the right atrium. So I am pointing out this is right atrium. So this is the right atrium we are talking about. Now this open space over here and the open space over here, they are called vena cava. Vena cava. Vena cava क्या करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? They bring deoxygenated blood. The upper vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from upper body. This vena cava brings deoxygenated blood from upper body, and this vena cava brings the deoxygenated blood from lower body. Okay, it brings the deoxygenated blood from lower body. Fine students. So here is the right atrium and this is the right ventricle. Okay, now just the V that we made before, just bring it slightly down, and this is the pulmonary artery that we were talking about, right? Yeah, so this is the blood flow. Now just focus down. अब deoxygenated blood के लिए मैं एक dotted path दिखा रहा हूं एरो का. The deoxygenated blood from various parts of the body, the deoxygenated blood from various parts of the body through vena cava enters right atrium. It goes to right ventricle. From right ventricle it goes to pulmonary artery. It goes to lungs through pulmonary arteries, and you know why, see, ये deoxygenated blood है, so it needs to be oxygenated. Oxygenated मतलब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इसमें से एब्जॉर्ब करवा लेना है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इसमें से रिमूव कर देना है और ऑक्सीजन इसमें ऐड करवाना है. So this is possible only in pulmonary arteries. And students keep in mind that pulmonary artery का एक passage इस तरफ है, it goes this way, and the other one it goes in the other way, here. Fine. So here is students the diagram of human heart. The dark arrows, they show the oxygenated blood from lungs to pulmonary veins to left atrium to left ventricle to various parts of the body throughout. And the dotted arrows, they show the deoxygenated blood. It will come from various parts of the body and through vena cava they will enter right atrium. then it will go to right ventricle, and from pulmonary arteries, the deoxygenated blood will go back to lungs for oxygenation. I hope now the diagram of human heart you will find very simple. First make a V, then make one more V, but ये वाला पार्ट थोड़ा स्ट्रेट रखना है. यहाँ पे भी एक V बनाना है, अगेन ये पार्ट भी स्ट्रेट रखना है. तो ये पार्ट अगर क्लियर हो जाएगा ना, तो रेस्ट बनाना इज नॉट सो डिफिकल्ट. आई रिक्वेस्ट कि थोड़ा इस पर प्रैक्टिस करिएगा. इफ यू ड्रॉ 4 to 5 times, the diagram will be absolutely clear. I hope you find this video very useful. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.